I'm now in my summer house, and today I was shopping for flowers, and I will show you what I have, what I bring from the shop. A bit smell, but not noticeable. Yeah, so no, it smell actually. This is smell. Yeah, so the colors are very nice. I love it. Maybe in shadow they look better. The shadow. These new flowers because they will bloom all summer. This is very nice. And I will plant these in my pots. I have big plastic pots and I will plant them there. It's beautiful. And it's also will bloom. I can see there is still little blossoms coming out. And very interesting. And the leaves are very thick. Very nice. I'll put this maybe also in a pot. I don't have red color a lot of in my garden, and I choosing plants where is red blossoms. I hope they will grow more of these, and in the ending is very nice. This tail, like foxtail, very nice. And the color is almost black. It's like not black but aubergine, like brown, like aubergine, deep purple. It is a scabiosa plant. I think this grows in Latvia in the wild. So pretty, amazing. Look at this. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The leaves are like soft velvet. Can you imagine? They're like velvet. So this is decorative natto. I love it. I adore it. And this one also the same velvet leaves. It's beautiful. Very nice. So today we'll plant all this. Okay, then see you later.